The Glide Inspections app helps you manage work items, inspections, and issues all in one place. The app is easy to customize, works on every device, and always stays up to date, not just with the data in your Google Sheet, but also with design changes, performance improvements, and security updates. The app comes with sample data for a typical facilities team. It includes workers, floors, rooms, cleaning records, and inspections. This data is only a placeholder to get you started. You can add your own data and customize the app however you need. Add new sections, new ways for users to interact and update data, and customize the design to make the app your own. The app has 2 user types, and they'll each experience their own user-specific version of the app when they sign in. Inspectors get a dashboard on their home screen showing the latest work items, a leaderboard, and outstanding issues. Workers will see everything except the inspector dashboard and be able to add new work items and issues inside of rooms. When a work item has been completed, inspectors can review it. All users then see completed inspections on the leaderboard and worker profiles. You decide who has access to your app and what they have access to. You can enable organization only, sign in, or choose a number of other publishing options. Copy this app for free in our template store, and if you want to learn more about building and customizing Glide apps, head over to glideapps.com/learn.